Welcome back to my vlog. Today, it's Driven Day. We are getting prepped to head to the Olympic Oval so that we can get our cars parked, detailed, and ready for the show tomorrow. I'm going to bring you guys along for the roll-in and show you how the entire setup for the show goes. So first thing I'm going to start with is, if you guys haven't done a show before, what should you bring to the actual show to prep your car for the show and make it look as minty as possible? So let's show you everything that I'm going to bring with me for the show tomorrow. First things first, drop cloth. All the indoor shows require you to have a drop cloth to put under your car so nothing leaks onto the floor. I'm taking this, these two battery power supplies so I can run the underglow lighting and I don't kill my battery. And now for the major part of everything. So we got some applicator sponges, we got some quick detailer, some tire shine, more quick detailer, some good high strength cleaner, some Windex, zip ties just in case we have to hang anything, a new quick detailer that I've never tried before but I'm going to give it a shot, some rags. And the last thing you need is, I have a bag of these, but microfibers. You're going to want lots of these so you clean your car really well and you don't pick up any dust while you're using, or dirt, and that's going to scratch your car. So if you keep changing these out as frequently as you can, then you're not going to wreck the paint on your car. There you have it. That's what we're going to take with us to the show. We're going to get going, head down to Markham Mall, meet everybody there, and I'll show you guys when we get there, give you a sneak preview of all the cars before we get rolling over to Driven. So keep watching, and here we go. Guys, we're just here at Markham Mall waiting for Diego to arrive. I'll give you a quick brief view on all the cars that are going to be parking with the brigade. We're going to start with Charms M4. And then you know John Speedy Gonzalez. Here's what his car looks like that we put the M2 front bumper on. And then you guys know my car. And here is Supa's M4. And then we got Armando's 135.
Hey man. Yeah. Simple, how I like it. Apex Arcades. Apex Arcades Pilot Sport 4S. Lowered on Fortune Auto 500. And just a really simple carbon fiber lip in the back with the LCI black lines. Yeah.
Oh, it's on the park it.
Yeah, dude.
Cool.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.
And then we got Hassan's 135 with the new livery that we've been working on. And then we have, last but not least, Taha's super clean E30. There you go. So we'll do some nicer B-roll once we get into the Olympic Oval and all the cars are cleaned up. But we're just waiting for Diego to arrive, and then we'll head over to the Oval. Keep watching. All right, we made it into the Olympic Oval. As you can see, everybody's getting set up. We are getting set up as well. The cars are detailed as much as I want to for tonight. Looks okay. They came out clean. Everyone's detailing their cars right now, and people are still rolling in. It's 6:30, so I think the actual event starts pretty soon. So, but here's what our setup looks like. So here's Hout AG's booth. You guys got to check out this epic banner. What do you guys think? What do you think of Hout's booth? There's some pretty sick cars here. This is gonna be one heck of a show tomorrow. I'll bring you guys along a bit more, but let's get out of here. Which one do you guys like the most? Let me know in the comments below which one of your brigade cars is your favorite. For me, if I couldn't choose my car, I don't know. It's a tough choice. I couldn't pick just one. Everybody's got a super unique style. Everyone's car is super clean, and they all look pretty rad. But that's the roll-in, and now you guys have come along for the first driven setup and prep. We'll be back tomorrow for the actual show, so stay tuned, keep watching, and next video I'll bring you guys to the actual driven show, and I'll show you a lot more of the cars. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.